Okay, so hi guys, this is the TECNO Spark 9 Pro that was launched alongside the Camon 19 series. In the TECNO Spark series, Spark 9 series, there are three devices: the Spark 9C, the Spark 9T, and the Spark 9 Pro. So this is the Pro. The Spark 9C is 15,600, the Spark 9T is 19,800, and then the Spark 9 Pro is 20,900. So it comes with 4 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of internal storage. Some of the biggest features are the 32 megapixel selfie camera, the Helio G85 processor, the 1080p Full HD display, and the 50 megapixel camera, plus the 5000 milliamp battery, which supports 18 watt fast charging via Type-C. So it's great to see Type-C in this segment. So this is the quantum black version as written on the box. I love the orange finish. It looks unique, looks really nice. So here's the phone. Now you get 12 plus 1 month's warranty. You get this plastic flexible case that has nothing on the sides. Quite nice. You get a small charger which should support 18 watt fast charging. I hope you can see the details. Yep. So nothing much written to it, just an 18 watt charger. Then under that you get the Type-C charger, the Type-C USB cable, the headphones, the usual TECNO headphones. So nothing much. Then you get the phone, which I did not expect to look like the Camon 19 series. For the cameras, if you've watched the Camon 19 video, you'd see what I'm talking about. So yeah, it's a rectangular finish. The modern design we are seeing nowadays is to make everything rectangular and sharp, and it looks quite premium. Look at that. Look at the camera. Yeah, but I can see it's dual tone, so not quite the Camon 19 series, but just from the camera you can think of it as that. Ooh, very shiny. Look at that. Yeah, very shiny top finish. It's the sort of dual aesthetic where this is shiny and this is almost sort of matte. So yeah, this one will attract fingerprints. Let me just show you. So smudges and fingerprints. And the branding of the TECNO Spark is here, not where it normally is. But at the bottom you get the branding stop at nothing. This looks really good. And I'm guessing TECNO is launching this alongside the Camon 19 series because this one is like the cheaper entry version, so it will be easier for people who cannot afford the Camon 19 series to jump on this, which is almost the same device, because I believe there's a Camon 19 series with the G85 instead of the G96. I'm not sure. Yeah. So yeah, look at that back. I think it looks really good. At the front there is the speaker grill, the camera, the front selfie camera, which is 32 megapixels. On the side there's a SIM slot for the dual SIM card. At the top there is nothing. On this side there is the volume rockers, and then the fingerprint scanner, which also doubles up as the power button. Then at the bottom there's the speaker grill, the Type-C port, the microphone, and the headphone jack. So it's not a punch-hole display, it's a notch, and I'm guessing that's sort of old right now. They've shifted how to access quick settings. You have to swipe from here to access the others. You have to swipe from to access notifications. You have to swipe from this side. The display is plenty bright. I don't know if the camera shows that, but it looks quite good, and it's very smooth. So I'm guessing it came with auto refresh rate or 90 Hz already set. There was a stutter there, I don't know if you can notice, but I think that will all sort itself out. As usual, the bloatware is still present, so if you don't know any of these apps, you'll need to delete them. It feels pretty fast for this normal scrolling, so yeah. Yep. Let's look at the camera, and that will be the unboxing. So swipe up for more features: short videos, AI camera, beauty, portrait, super night. I think you should all test super night mode on these devices. You'll be amazed. AR shot, panorama, document, slow motion, and time lapse. You can take the full 50 megapixel shots with the back camera, and you can also take the full 32 megapixel shots with the front camera. Let's take a photo of something. So I've taken 3 photos. This is the microphone. I think, oh, the details. That looks good. And the automatic bokeh, or rather blurring of the background, that looks good. This is a shot of the box. I think that looks sharp. You can read the text. And a shot of the laptop with this sort of poor lighting in this room. That looks good. Let's try this. It does recognize that's a plant. The AI has recognized that's a plant, and it does. Yep, that looks good. So in terms of cameras, you're sorted. And it's a 32 megapixel front camera, so you can expect sharp shots. There's a bit of processing, by the way, so it has increased the brightness on my face. It has taken account of the jump and everything, so yep, selfies are really good. And the processing is quite fast, you notice it. I don't know if I can show these on video. So there's a plant. This is how it looks on the viewfinder. But then take it and you can see a little processing. But it looks really good, yeah. Okay, so that's it for the Spark 9 Pro unboxing. Tell me your thoughts down below.